In this video, I'm going to show you how to show percentages of total in Excel. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So as you can see now, we have an amount and the month, and you want to count the percentages of the total for each one. So go ahead, type in equal B2, which is the column you have here, /forward $B. Then choose the column that has the total, as you can see. Now just go ahead, click on enter, and there you have it. You have now this equation right there. You can click on it, then go ahead, choose percentage here, as you can see, and there you have it. You have now percentage. Just drag it across all of the months, and you are good to go. So this was easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.